Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get out of Amazon affiliate program. Like you want to close your account, you don't want to promote products anymore, you want to close Amazon affiliate program. Now as you can see, it says here close your account. Now how you can get to this page, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can close your Amazon affiliate program. Now you want to log into your Amazon, okay, your Amazon account, and what you need to do guys next in this bar, as you can see, if you have this bar in the top, it says here get link, here where you can get your links, and as it says here Amazon Associates site Stripe. Now if you look in the right, you can see here help. Okay, you want to click on that option. It says here help, click on that, and then it will take you guys to this page. Okay, don't know why this is taking so long. I think there is a problem with Amazon. Okay, so just give it some seconds and it will load. Okay, just give it, yeah, as you can see here guys, I think there is a problem here with the connection. Anyway, it says here what is here what you just need to do guys, you just need to read this if you want, and then you can scroll down at the very bottom. It says here how do I turn the site Stripe on or off. Now this doesn't matter, you just need to click on Associates site Stripe options. You need to click on Associates site Stripe options. That way you will find an option that says close your account. Now after you click on that option, it will ask you guys like the reason why you are closing your account, stuff like that. So I'm going to show you what you need to do next. Now it will take you to this page. You want to click on close your account, and here it says here tell us why you are closing your account. For example, I am not earning enough, okay, and then just give them a feedback, something like nothing is enough. Like you don't have to type anything here, by the way, like just, and then click on close your account. Now the moment you click on close your account, maybe they are going to ask you for your password. If they don't, the account is going to be closed automatically. So I'm not going to click on it because I don't want to delete, I don't want to stop using Amazon affiliate program right now. So just need to click on close your account, and that's it. Okay, hopefully this video guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.